Next collection, it is going to be in the Vatican fabric, plus you can see on the neck as well contrast thread working along with the mirror work. This next collection, it is going to be in the plus size, double XL size. You can see the firma as well, very beautiful collection. Plus you can see the design, pattern, pants, everything. It's how beautiful it is. If you are a working woman, if you are doing something, you want to own a business, so this is your time, you can start your business. Hello, how are you friends? I hope you are just doing very fine. So I have brought you very beautiful rayon Roman Vatican collection in 3-piece. So I'm going to show you the first collection. You can see is it in Roman fabric, plus you can see the neck detail, very beautiful multicolor thread detail along with the mirror work you can see, and even on the fabric you can see a lot of different type of mirror, and plus you can see the fabric, it's very beautiful, it's very soft. Plus I can show you the dupatta as well. Dupatta is very beautiful and it would be around 2.15 meter. You can see this collection. If you are liking this collection, you just have to do one thing. You can directly call us. In this bunch you will get same color, same design, medium, L, XL, double XL. And you can see this next collection also. It is going to be in the Roman fabric, plus you can see the detailing as well. On the neck you can see the contrast thread detailing along with the mirror work. And in this bunch also you will get medium, large, XL and double XL. You will get the same Roman pants like this. Plus you can see the dupatta as well. It's very beautiful. You can see the whole sequence work on this, and all these collection would be very cheaper. So if you want to buy this, you're watching this video from outer India or inner India. In inner India you will get COD facility. Secondly, if you're watching from Canada, US, Australia, so you can directly call us, shop with us, and international shipping is also available. So you can see this next collection. It is going to be in the Vatican fabric, plus you can see on the neck as well contrast thread working along with the mirror work, and you can see this, it's how beautiful it is. If you are a working woman, if you are doing something, you want to own a business, so this is your time, you can start your business. Plus if you are owning a shop, you want something casual collection, you can get this collection. It's very beautiful and it is going to be very affordable. So let's hop on to next collection. You can see this, it's in cotton fabric, it's very beautiful. It will come with the lining as well. You can see the lining also. It is going to be in the pure cotton fabric. And if I talk about the neck, you're going to get the V gala along with the contrast thread working and the mirror work. If I talk about the dupatta, you're going to get something like this in the dupatta. Plus you are going to get the pure cotton bottom wear fabric. You can see how beautiful this collection is, how beautiful the fabric is. A lot of customers get confused what we are going to get in the set. So you are going to get same color, same design, M, L, XL, double XL. And now the next collection which I am wearing, very trendy collection in Roman fabric. As you can see on the neck, very beautiful sweetheart neck along with a contrast design and the mirror work. It's very nice and beautiful. If you want to order this collection, you just have to do one thing. Numbers are given in the screen. You can directly call us, visit us, and if you're planning to come to Surat, you can directly text us. We are going to pick you up and drop you. And you can see this next collection. It is going to be in the plus size, double XL size. You can see the firma as well. Very beautiful collection. Plus you can see the design, pattern, pants, everything. So if you are new to this channel, do like the channel, comment the channel, and in the comment box do let me know from where you're watching this video. So this is going to be the last collection. And wait, this is not the last collection. We have lot of collection. So like, comment and share and follow our channel. Plus if you want to see more collection, let's come in the next video and do watch the video.